The compact EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker under the spotlight because if you've been hunting for a small, fast little machine to bail you out at parties, for iced coffee, or for a weekend RV trip, this one keeps popping up for a reason. Straight away, this model promises up to 26 pounds of bullet-shaped ice per day, makes the first batch in about 6 minutes, and uses a modest 1.2L water tank with a roughly 1.3 pounds holding basket. So it's built to be small, lightweight, and genuinely portable. It even has a carry handle. That combination makes it ideal for apartments, dorms, kitchens with limited counter space, and those times when you need fast ice without buying bags. In daily use you'll notice the bullet ice is chewable and won't clump together as quickly as some slow freeze cubes, and the unit's one-touch auto clean and simple control panel make it beginner friendly. Add water, press power, and it gets to work while indicators tell you add water or ice full. Noise-wise the listing claims it runs under about 45 dB, so it's quieter than many compressors and won't ruin conversation at a gathering. Build and accessories are thoughtful, a see-through top so you can watch production, an included scoop and basket, and a 12-month warranty with lifetime technical support promised by the brand. On the money side, this range of countertop EUHOMY models frequently shows up in the sub-$100 deals window. Prices vary by color, seller and by time, which explains the heavy purchase numbers and strong review totals. Plenty of users call it an excellent value for quick, reliable ice at home. Downsides: it's not a commercial machine, daily capacity and holding size are limited, and you'll want to follow the cleaning cues carefully to avoid mineral buildup. Bottom line, if you want a fast, cute, and wallet-friendly countertop ice maker for parties, drinks, or travel, this is a practical pick. We share buy links in description box.